So here I have an angle RQP, or you could say angle PQR, right? And what I want to do is to show you how you would bisect this angle. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your compass and place the compass point and the angle vertex, which is Q in this case, right? And this is how you would do it. What you're going to do is to open your compass to a convenient radius, right? So note there that my compass is at a convenient radius. You're going to scribe an arc that intersect the line segment RQ and also the line segment PQ, and this is how you would do it. Now what you are going to do is to place your compass point where the arc intersect both line segment, and what you are going to do is to scribe another arc, right? And this is how you would do it. You're going to repeat the same process by just shifting your compass point to the other line where the arc intersect the line segment RQ, and you're going to scribe an arc to intersect the previous arc that you just constructed. And this is how you would do it. Now where both arcs intersect each other, you're going to take your ruler to place it at point Q and line it up with both arcs and draw a line through the intersection of both arcs, connecting that line to point Q, and that would be the line that bisects the angle PQR. And this is how you would do it. So note the pink line that is just drawn bisect the angle PQR. That line bisect the angle in two equal parts, right? So note that this angle here from this line segment, which is QR, to this pink line is equal to the angle from this pink line to the line segment here, which is PQ. So one important point to note: whenever you bisect a given angle, the line cuts the angle into two equal parts. Now here I have a line segment PQ. So I'm going to teach you the steps that you will need to bisect the line segment PQ. Step 1. You're going to place your compass point on one end of the line segment. So you either can place it at point P or you can place it at point Q, right? And this is how you would do it. Now what you're going to do, you're going to adjust the radius of your compass, right? and you're going to adjust the radius of your compass to more than half the length of PQ, right? And the reason for that is if you do not adjust your compass to more than half the length of PQ, then the arc that you are going to scribe will not intersect each other. So if it is less than half, it will not intersect each other. And if it is exactly half, they will only touch each other but not intersect each other. So ensure that the radius of your compass is adjusted to more than half the length of the line segment PQ. And this is how you would do it. Note there that my compass radius is more than half the length of the line segment PQ. So what you're going to do is to scribe an arc from point P on both sides of the line, and then you're going to do the same thing from point Q. So there I have both arcs on either side of the line. Now what I am going to do is I am going to move my compass point to point Q without changing the radius of the compass, and then scribe an arc to intersect those two arcs that I just constructed. What you're going to do is to take your ruler to line up with both intersecting arcs and draw a straight line that intersect the line PQ, and that would be the perpendicular bisector of the line PQ, right? So note there where the pink line intersect the line segment PQ, I call it J, right? And note that the perpendicular bisector meets the line at 90 degrees. Not only that, the distance from J to P is also equal to the distance from J to Q. So that's what a perpendicular bisector does. It shares the line in two equal parts, right? Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.